Inside the box, we the built-in S Pen for productivity, notes, and quick edits. And the disappointing thing is the S Pen. Now you cannot put the S Pen and any. So the performance feels incredibly fast, and the camera system looks very promising. SR case for this Galaxy S26, great protection. So let's see how it looks like in here. And this is a clear case, which I love it. Comes with 70% battery, so you can easily set up with another device. You will see a little blurry on Pixel, but I don't see able to get that things. But let's see. Yeah, it's a little when you turn on the maximum privacy display. So I would definitely turn that off when you go to